Smith and I'm a horticulturalist here at Rogers Gardens, and today I want to talk to you about our new edible garden that we've planted. First, vegetable gardens are really beautiful. A lot of people think that they don't have room for a vegetable garden, or they think about them as being utilitarian sort of thing, but really there's all kinds of beauty to a vegetable garden. You can design a whole place completely in edibles, as we've done here. You can also incorporate edibles into your own ornamental landscape as well. So that way you have something that you can actually use and appreciate the beauty of. Vegetable gardens bring in all kinds of amazing things with the color, the texture, all the pollinators that come to the garden, the bees, the butterflies, all the different birds as well. Another great aspect of having a vegetable garden is having a sense of community. You really get a chance to kind of appreciate the bounty of something that you've grown, and you'll have extras to share with your friends and family as well. Another great thing about having an edible veggie garden is it creates a sense of bonding time with your children. Children really like to be able to plant something, nurture it, see it grow, harvest it, bring it into the house, cook and eat it. It's a really great way to get your children to eat something new that they've never eaten before, and also give them a sense of appreciation for something that they've done. It also creates and sparks new interest for them, possibly. Being able to come out and draw something, take photographs of it, learn new recipes, possibly maybe one day they're going to want to become a chef or a nutritionist because of having a vegetable garden and having access. Also, it's incredibly healthy. You actually get to pick and choose what you plant in the garden. You get to pick new varieties of things that you can't normally get in stores. You actually get to decide what goes on your family's plate. Here at Rogers Gardens, all of our products that we offer, from our fertilizers to our pest control, is completely organic, so that way you can be safe and feel happy and healthy about what you're putting on your family's table. In this edible garden, we've incorporated both fruits, veggies, and herbs. Some of my favorite things in the garden is the flashy butter oak lettuce. I love the color and shape of the leaves. The little red freckles on it's just beautiful, and it contrasts very well and adds a lot of interest. Other favorite things in this garden is the Feijoa. This is actually a pineapple guava. This makes a great hedge, and it can even be trimmed into a small tree. It has a beautiful petal on it. The petals are actually edible on this, and then once those fall away, you have a great pineapple guava, which is very unusual, not something you can get in most grocery stores. We also planted a finger lime. This is an Australian citrus. The finger lime is very unusual. When you cut it open, the inside of it looks like small pieces of caviar. A lot of people don't realize how beautiful a blueberry bush can be. It makes a great ornamental addition to your garden. And snap peas are very easy to grow in containers. They're fantastic to eat fresh off the vine, and they make a very interesting vertical element in your garden. Thanks for joining us today, and come in and talk to any of the horticulturists here. We can always help you plan your next vegetable garden and pick all the supplies that you may need. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the tips and tricks and updates on our new display gardens. Rogers Gardens, we've been rooting into your home and garden.